fuck around and find. It's not get better, you cannot do better, and you will regret it. Oh yeah, you gon' fuck around and find yourself, find yourself.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's Kabir back with another video, and as y'all can see, I'm back with another hair video. And today this video is sponsored by Asteria hair. I hope I'm saying this right, but if I'm not, please correct me if you know. Today I have a 24-inch 13x6 HD lace, and we love a HD lace. I can't even lie to y'all, this wig is 24 inches, but it sure do feel like it could be at least 28 or 26 inches, and I love it. I've been getting so many compliments so far. The hair has not been giving me any problems. The lace is bomb, and I just been enjoying it so far. If you guys are interested in this wig, don't forget to look in my description box, because it sure will be there with all the information that you need, and also might be a discount code. So if you're interested, keep watching. Watch my sister install this bomb wig. Y'all already know nobody else does my hair but my sister. And if y'all interested and y'all in the DMV area, don't forget to hit her up. All her information will be in my description as well, or I might put it on the screen. I just want to say thank you again to Asteria hair for sending me this wig, and I would love to work with you guys again. Don't never hesitate. Bye. Love y'all. I had to come back real quick because I want to put a clip on the side and show y'all how long this hair really is, just in case anybody thought I was slicing it up. I just want to prove to y'all, and I also want them to know that sometimes wigs can be better than what you expect. So I'm about to throw this video right on the side, and y'all gonna see. And I'm not lying to y'all, this is one of the best wigs I've ever had so far. So shop with Asteria hair. It's not my first time working with them, and the last wig that I had I also loved, so that should tell you a lot.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick, right around the slap.